real summer day when it's best. Rain makes the grass grow, sun makes the grass grow. So gorgeous, so beautiful. All of nature is praising life. Ah, life is so good. Life is so beautiful.
So good. Let's have a talk about healing. More about healing. Oh. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord.
Oh, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. So, life is so good. Just want to tell you a little bit about this pond. See the water lilies. We planted them some years ago, and they're just taking off. They love it here. And they'll be flowering until autumn. Just so gorgeous. And they are a wonderful image of who we are in the Indian tradition, Hindu tradition, that we're all growing out of this slimy, horrible stuff, and out of all that stuff that we've experienced, we're becoming these lilies. That's who we really are. These gorgeous beings. So, just a little thing about healing. I mean, the earth heals itself when we allow it to heal. When we stop doing things that are not good for the earth. So this pond we dug, we had some money suddenly a while ago, 10 years ago, and we went onto the internet, as you do, and found a Swiss system. The Swiss, see, we have ocean all around us, so we can go to the beach everywhere here in Denmark, but we thought it would be lovely to have a place where we could swim in the summertime. So we had this pond dug, which is about 3 or 4 meters deep out there, and in here it's more shallow, so children can stand here. It's not so deep. And what you have to do is have 2 pumps. They've got a lining, two ponds. So the other pond is over here, and this is actually the cleansing pond. And into this pond you put tiny pebbles, or little pebbles. You fill it up with little pebbles, and little frogs there. Little frogs having a good time. And you have a pump going, and that was what we stopped doing because it became so expensive we couldn't do it. But you're supposed to pump. This water from this pond is supposed to run over there, down into this one, and it's pumped out of the bottom and pumped back over to this one here. So there's a circulation going on all the time, and that will clean the water. It purifies the water naturally because of this. It's going through these little pebbles which actually clean the water, clean bacteria away. But we turned off the pump very quickly because it was too expensive, and we thought, oh, we'll just see what happens. And what happened was this became very, very clean. It's not so clean anymore. I don't know why, but it was very clean, clear water, and it was very quickly covered by plants. So we got the idea, and what happened was this one over here became really dirty. It was just one big disgusting thing, and I haven't been swimming there for quite a while because it was so disgusting. So we thought, how about we do the same thing as over here, because they've got a lining, so they haven't got connection. The ponds haven't got connection to the soil, to the land. So it's an artificial creation, really. So we tried to mimic what was going on here, over there. So we had a truck come and put a load of pebbles in the bottom of that one, and we started planting plants that could cover the water, because what they know is that if water is exposed to too much sun, the bacteria they go berserk. So there mustn't be too much sun coming into the water. And so we planted these different things, and also some plants just came, and this is a very, very powerful purifier, and it will take over the whole place if you don't take them away. So what happened was that the water became clean. And I just thought this was a lovely little example for us to see that nature has certain rules, and you can't just violate those rules. You have to learn to work with nature, because nature wants to be in harmony, but we have to give nature the right conditions. So this is just so wonderful that we've been doing the right thing, and we're learning as we go, but nature will heal itself, and we just have to sort of get out of its way, really. Let it do its thing. And it's the same with our bodies. When we give them the right conditions, the things that they really want, they heal. So that was just another video about healing, about the love of life, the love of being. So see you, all you beautiful people, and thank you for your really beautiful comments. Bless you all.